Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you Freeletics honest review. Watch before thinking of trying Freeletics. Here's an honest review to help you decide. Freeletics is a fitness app that offers personalized, high-intensity workouts tailored to your fitness level and goals. It's great for equipment-free training and perfect for people with busy schedules. Now, for the pros, it features adaptive training plans that adjust based on your progress, over 900 diverse exercises, and a user-friendly interface with clear video guides for all skill levels. You can also train anytime, anywhere, which adds to its flexibility, but on the flip side, its strength training options are limited. Some users experience auto renewal issues, and certain programs can feel repetitive over time. Overall, Freeletics is a great choice for anyone seeking effective, equipment free workouts, though those focusing on muscle building might prefer other structured gym based apps like Dr. Muscle. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.